Salvation Army. Oh yeah. Never took a left. Oh, that cart with a jack of wheel.
Oh god, oh my god. Ew, this looks terrible. I've not been to the Salvation Army for quite some time. Let's be selective. We're gonna be selective tonight.
Where's the jacked wheel?
There it is. There's one back there.
Shorts. Blue and white, not yellow. The jorts aren't on sale anymore.
Blue and white. Half off. Blue and white. I'm just going around the corners, the sides. I'm going to be super selective as to what I get. And, lonely puppy or lion. This thing is adorable.
Oh yeah. I haven't been here for a while. Forgot about the blaring 80s music that was here. $12. Oh man. They're on to us. $12. Huh? These are $8. Button fly. I think they're supposed to look like that. Acid wash, button flies. What size are they? 36, 32. Look at this. Wrangler. $12. Look at that.
Okay. I feel like this might be something. Gem backpack. This looks high quality. I feel like Adam may want this for himself. Wow, this is nice. Or it could be nothing. Oh, well, where's my freaking phone at? Designed in Germany for global citizens. Okay. This might be something. Here, let me just drop it on the ground. Oh my god. Get it together. Somebody was coming up behind me, so I want to look this up real quick. I do actually, you know what, I think worst comes to worst. What I think I'm going to do with it, and it's not even worst comes to worst scenario, is keep it for myself and keep it in the back of my car with like a flashlight and a multi-tool and some like cleaning supplies and things like that, and just like make it a car bag if I can't find out what it actually is worth, because I feel like it will match my car, and it'll be good to have some like car supplies in there.
Their books are pricey. One lone record, and it's Barbara Streisand. Right there. I'll buy Barbara's Lonesome.
I'm like the people on QVC, they're like,
Oh wait, there's a record behind Barbara.
this is what they do with their shoes. They're like,
What's the record behind Barbara?
probably nothing good. Barbara. 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 And color me Barbara. Barbara, Barbara, Barbara.
Barbie Fashion Stars. Wonder how much Barbie Fashion Stars is worth. We can't tell because somebody put an Amazon barcode over the back of it. So we'll have to look it up. Yeah, they're not worth much. $5.
Never underestimate the value of linens that are new in the package. Oh, yes. What size is this? Maybe. These are cute. Towel wraps. Every time we go into a place, I'm like, oh, I can get this for myself. Now these are neat looking. I feel like they're very unique. They're like terrible yet great. And if I had more room, and like I said, if I wasn't dealing with everything else right now, I would totally buy these. This is very adorable. Very 70s, and it's horrible yet great all at the same time.
Leaking. Got some Game Boy Advance games here. Leapster L-Max. Game Boy Advance games are coming home with me now. $15 is a little much, but I think they'll sell. These are Game Boy Color games. This one's still sealed. Look that one up real quick. Monster House for the Game Boy Advance. $15. I'll take it. I'll lot the rest of these up. Some Game Boy Color games. That's not bad.
Should I get this? I Love Us. Is that like lame? Like, I think it is kind of lame. I mean, I do, but I think it's